Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to lock your WhatsApp web app using keyboard shortcuts on your PC. This new feature adds an extra layer of security to your conversations, ensuring your privacy when you step away from your computer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you haven't updated recently, take a moment to refresh your browser or clear your cache to ensure you have access to this new feature. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. The process is incredibly simple and takes just 2 steps. Are you ready? Here we go. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your preferred browser. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone if you haven't already logged in. Step 2. Once you're in your WhatsApp web interface, simply press Ctrl + Alt + L on your keyboard. That's it. Your WhatsApp web will instantly lock, securing your conversations from prying eyes. It's worth noting that this shortcut works for Windows users. If you're using a Mac, the keyboard shortcut is slightly different. You'll need to press Command + Ctrl + L instead. When you use this shortcut, WhatsApp web will immediately lock, and you'll need to enter your password to regain access. This is perfect for those moments when you need to step away from your desk quickly, or if you're working in a shared space. Remember, you'll need to set up a password for this feature to work. If you haven't done so already, go to Settings, then Privacy, and finally App Lock to enable this feature and set your password. This simple yet effective tool adds a crucial layer of privacy to your WhatsApp web experience. Whether you're at work, in a coffee shop, or just want to keep your conversations private at home, this shortcut is a game changer. So there you have it. A quick, easy way to lock your WhatsApp web with just a few keystrokes. Give it a try and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your chats are secure. Happy messaging and stay safe online.